Hey guys, welcome back to Green Rice Kitchen. Today we're going to learn how to make frittata, something quick. Like in about under 15 minutes, you can make this one, for real. Vegetable oil. I'm gonna just put my potatoes. I peel my potatoes and I put it in the water, and then I put the oil a low heat. And so I'm gonna fry those potatoes until they're nice golden and brown. Okay, so eggs. So I'm gonna I just broke 4 eggs. For me and my husband, it's gonna be just fine. A little bit of mushrooms, 1 clove of garlic, and then some green onions. Of course, some parsley. We put like 2 asparagus. I'm gonna chop them up and I'm gonna throw it in my frittata. And of course, I have some heavy cream. Remember, doesn't contain any sugar. It's just a heavy cream. Okay. In the meantime, then my potatoes they get nice and golden. I already pretty much prepare my bacon. And once my husband tells me that he's coming back home, I'm gonna put it in my oven. By the time he gets home, it's gonna be everything ready. To check when your your fried oil, is ready, what you gotta do is just dump this toothpick in the oil, and when you see that it starts to sizzle, it means that the oil got to the right temperature to fry. So I used it to check it out if I could throw my potatoes in there, which I did, and so everything is good. This can just go straight in the garbage. Don't mind, I cut my finger, but everything is fine. I just needed to, put a few bandage in there. So this is an easy lunch, guys. Usually in the weekends, I go very easy and simple. And, a nice frittata. Today I was feeling to have like a nice, frittata. Parsley, I'm going to put it in there. And then, of course, my chopped green onions. Not too much, not too much. My asparagus. So guys, when you guys have the asparagus like this are beautiful. Okay, I found those and it was a good deal. So obviously you don't want to use the end, but those, don't throw it away. Those, they are good, very good for making asparagus soup or creamy asparagus soup, or you can throw it in your chicken stock to make your chicken stock from scratch. You can use this for different things, but for today I'm going to just use pretty much from here to here, the top for my frittata. And you can go here and pretty much it's like nice, and it goes nice, and it cuts very easily. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my asparagus very small pieces, like just a little bit like this, guys. Okay, remember that you're gonna put this in your frittata, so it's not gonna take a long time to cook frittata. Okay, so you want to like nice little pieces like that, obviously all cut in the same size so that they can cook in the same time. Okay, I'm going to throw my my mushroom and everything in here right now so that they can start to mingle all with each other. My garlic grater, there you go. I'm going to add a little bit of cream, just because I want to get a little nice and more velvety, more thick. Okay, this is going to be good, guys, very good. So just like maybe a 1/4 cup. Okay, is just pepper, just a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Here it's going to be just a little bit of a grana padano or Parmigiano Reggiano. It's up to you, whatever cheese you want. You can put, shredded mozzarella, but I want to keep it simple, guys. Okay. There you go, guys. My potatoes, they're getting actually to the color that I want. Like I said, I want a nice golden and brown. And so I'm going to just add a little bit of paprika, just a little bit, little pinch, nothing major, and that's it. Give it a little extra stir, and that's it. Now this is ready, guys, ready to be cooked. Once all those are done, so I just made like 3 potatoes for my husband and I made just 3 potatoes. Remember, like, this is a lunch, So I want to make sure that we're okay for a few hours. I don't want it that, you know, in about 45 minutes after we eat the frittata, we gotta just go back in the fridge and see what's available because we're hungry. So that's why I made the frittata with potatoes, because it's nice and, you know, we can be for a few hours, we can go on. Okay? Just to give a little bit of a, you know, make it more easy when I cook it. Okay? And you want to spread it out a little bit, you know, just you want to make sure that they're all everywhere. So both of us, my husband and I, we will take a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So just spread it out. Those are amazing. Those are great. Those fries are absolutely good. So this egg's like, it's like pretty much like when you make omelet. But for us Italians, definitely we like much more the beautiful frittata, which is flat. You can cut as many slices as you want and you're good to go. So I'm gonna just throw my egg mixture right now. Yes, go for it. Go for it. Okay. So now, when it comes the part that you want to definitely make sure that you kind of watch out a little bit of what you're doing. So move a little bit around your frittata mixture because there is so much eggs, it's very liquidy now, but you want to create that crust. Okay, so it's going to take some time, it's going to take a few minutes to do that, but don't worry about it, you'll get there. Okay, nothing is rushing you. Just take your time. And when you do frittata, you want to just definitely take your time. So now it's time to flip it up. Beautiful frittata. And don't think about anything else. Awesome, guys. Hey guys, so my frittata is done. I actually just received a message from my husband telling me that he's coming home. So what I did, I turned on my oven. I'm gonna keep it like, I'm gonna wait just a few minutes before I put my bacon down inside, and then I'll just put the bacon in, because it's like small strips of bacon, you know, it's not gonna take too long. And so you know what I usually do, guys? When I go to buy bacon, we love bacon in my house, let's be honest. So what I do is I cut the bacon bag in half and I wrap individually, and it goes good. It's great because it doesn't take, you know, for us, we just are okay with half of the bacon. And whenever I want to use the rest of the bacon, I'll use it for soups or, you know, some other things. But guys, I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I did this recipe for you guys. I really hope you you can manage to do it. Like you notice, you know, get your be creative, you know, do whatever you want, put whatever you want in there. Just be careful, don't put things too heavy, because it might, like, you know, like I said, because it's something very delicate, it can break on you. But even if it breaks, it's totally good. Don't worry about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my bacon inside the oven. There you go. You know, share this recipe with friends and family, and you know, subscribe to the channel. I know that I had some feedback from my last recipe that people, they loved it. Some people, they made it, they told me that it came out great, it was good, it was amazing, it was simple, easy. And so I'm so happy that you guys make those recipes that I do. But hit that notification button so that at least you guys know every time I make a new videos, you guys get notified. And we definitely gonna see it next time, and I'm gonna come up with something new. I'm gonna come up with something that, of course, simple, but I hope, guys, you can take this home and you can make something great. For now, guys, stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you next time. Bye.